discussed about polygons and how to find the number of diagonals of a polygon. Today we can continue our lesson. Today's topic is angle sum property. In previous class, you already learned angle sum property of a triangle. Triangle, three angles are there. This is triangle ABC. That is, sum of the interior angles of a triangle is 180. That is, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. This is the angle sum property of a triangle. Then, this is a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral P, Q, R, S. Now, what is the sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral? Now I am going to divide this quadrilateral into two. That is, two triangles. See, triangle SRQ and triangle PSQ. Then, as you all know, sum of the interior angle of a triangle is 180. So, two triangles are here. So, first one, here 180 plus 180. 180 degree plus 180 degree, that is 360 degree. So, the sum of the interior angle of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Like this, we can find the interior sum of the interior angles of any polygon. So, sum of the interior angles of a pentagon. This is the same way we can find. So, we have an equation also. That is, sum of the interior angle of a polygon is equal to n minus 2 into 180. That n is number of sides given. Number of sides n minus 2 into 180. Pentagon. Pentagon means how many sides are there? 5 sides are there. See, A, B, C, D, E. 5 sides are there. 5 sides. This is regular pentagon. 5 sides are there. So, what is the sum of the interior angle of a regular pentagon? N is 5. N is equal to 5. N. So, 5 minus 2 into 180. 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 into 180. That is 540. That is, sum of the interior angle of a regular pentagon is 540. That is, regular pentagon we can divide in 3 triangles. 1, 2, 3. Here 180 degree. Here 180. Here also 180. 180 into 3 is 540. So, sum of the interior angle of a regular pentagon is 540. This way we can find sum of the interior angles of any polygon when number of sides is given. Okay, hope you understood. Then, sum of the exterior angle of a polygon. Sum of the exterior angle of a polygon. What is that? Sum of the exterior angle of any polygon is 360 degree. If it is quadrilateral, if it is polygon, here pentagon, hexagon, any polygon. Sum of the exterior angle of any polygon is 360 degree. Exterior angle. Sum of the exterior angle of any polygon is 360 degree. 360 degree. So, keep in your mind, sum of the exterior angle of any polygon is 360 degree, and sum of the interior angle of a triangle is 180 degree. A quadrilateral is 360 degree and a pentagon is 540 degree. And we can find, and we can substitute the value of n in n minus 2 into 180, and we will get a sum of the interior angle of any polygon. So, and sum of the exterior angle of any polygon is 360 degree. And one more property is there that you all already learned from the previous class, that is, see this is a triangle. See, I am extending this one. This line I am extending A, B, C, D. See this side. What is the connection between these two angles? This is a linear pair. The pair of adjacent angles formed when a line intersect. See, BC and CD, adjacent side, and this adjacent angle also, and AC is intersecting these two lines. And these two angles are always supplementary. That is, this is a linear pair. Linear pairs are supplementary. Linear pairs are supplementary. Supplementary angles. That means this is angle 1 and 2. Angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree. Okay, we can do few questions in the textbook. First question. Find the angle measure in the following figures. First figure, quadrilateral. Two angles are given. Interior angles are given. 60 degree, 70 degree. The next unknown. And this angle also, fourth angle also, we don't know. We have to find first this angle. Fourth angle I am giving A. So since this is a right angle, exterior angle is right angle only. So obviously this is 90 degree. Then as you all know, linear pair. These adjacent angles are linear pair. These angles are linear pair only. So linear pairs are supplementary. That means angle A plus 90 degree is equal to 180. That is the reason linear pairs are supplementary. Linear pair. So angle A is equal to 180 minus 90. That is equal to 90 degree. So we got the value of A, that is 90 degree. Now, then sum of the interior angles of a quadrilateral, that we have to find first. So we have an equation, sum of the interior angle. How we can find n minus 2 into 180. N is number of sides, n is 4. That is 4 minus 2 into 180. 2 into 180 is equal to 360. That is, sum of the interior angle of a quadrilateral is 360. Now that is angle x plus angle 90 plus 60 degree plus 70 degree is equal to angle x plus 90 degree plus 60 degree plus 70 degree is equal to 360. Sum of the interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360. So angle x plus 90 plus 60 is 150. 150 plus 70 is equal to 220. Is equal to 360. Now angle x is equal to 360 minus 220 transposed to RHS minus 220. That means 140. Angle x is equal to 140. Second question. So quadrilateral. So three angles are given. We have to find the fourth angle also. Find x plus y plus z plus w. That we have to find. First we have to find interior angle. What interior angle is missing, that we have to find. So the sum of the interior angles of a quadrilateral. Previous question we have already done. That is 360. That is n minus 2 into 180. N is 4. 4 minus 2 into 180. 2 into 180, that is 360. That means 60 plus 80 plus 120 plus, this is unknown, I am giving A, small letter A. A is equal to 360. That means 60 plus 80 is 140. 140 plus 120 is 260. Plus A is equal to 360. A is equal to 360 minus 260 is equal to 100 degree. So A we got 100. Now we want the value of x plus y plus z plus w. This x, first we have to find x. X means this is a linear pair. Adjacent angles are linear pair. That means angle x plus 120 is equal to linear pairs are supplementary 180. Linear pair. Reason also you have to write inside a bracket. Angle x plus 120 is equal to 180. Angle x is equal to 180 minus 120, that is 60 degree. This x we got 60. Now y also linear pair only. This angle y plus 80 is equal to 180, linear pair. Angle y is equal to 180 minus 80 is equal to 100. So angle y we got 100. Same way angle z. Angle z plus 60 is equal to 180, linear pair. Angle z is equal to 180 minus 60, that is equal to 120. Then only one angle left. Angle W plus 100 is equal to 180. So also linear pair only. So angle W is equal to 180 minus 100 is equal to 80 degree. So W is 80 degree. So now we can find the value of Z is 120. Now angle x plus angle y plus z plus w is equal to 100. X is 60. 60 plus 100 plus 120 plus 80. So 100 plus 60, 160 plus 120, 280. 280 plus 80 is 360. So the x plus y plus z plus w is 360. That is, sum of the exterior angle of this quadrilateral is 360. That is correct. Sum of the exterior angle of any polygon is 360. So our answer is correct. Next question. How many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angle is 165? Here one interior angle is given 165. We have to find the number of sides of a regular polygon. So first what we have to find? One exterior angle first we have to find. Why you know? See, number of sides and one exterior angle having a connection between these two, that is number of sides into one exterior angle is equal to 360. The sum of the exterior angle of any polygon is 360 degree. So one exterior angle into number of sides. For example, triangle having three sides. So 3 into one exterior angle. If we know one exterior angle, that is 3 into one exterior angle is equal to 360. So here one exterior angle first you have to find. we have only one interior angle. So one interior angle plus that adjacent exterior angle is equal to 180, linear pair. That means 165 plus one exterior angle is equal to 300 is equal to 180, linear pair. Adjacent exterior angle form a linear pair. So how we can find one exterior angle? 180 minus 165, that is 15 degree. So one exterior angle we got 15 degree. So how we can find number of sides? Number of sides is equal to 360 divided by one exterior angle, 15 degree. That is here both are multiplying. So we want number of sides only. So 360 divided by one exterior angle, that is 360 divided by 15. 360 divided by 15. 15 twos are 30. 15 fours are 60. So 24 sides are there. Number of sides, 24 sided polygon, that is interior angle is 165. 24 sides are there. Hope you all understood. We can do more questions in the next class. Practice well. Thank you.